DADDYGVILLE'S world.
Today, we're going to be teaching my son, Henry, how to fix his front tire because it's been flat for, what, about a year now? We haven't done nothing with it. You guys have other stuff. First, you got to remove your pegs. Slide through the hole and push down. There you go. Turn it around. Here. Ready? Now, take it all the way off. Alright. Yep, now do this peg. This peg, slide it in here. This peg will have to come forward. You gotta lift up. Lift up. Here, when Dad get it. There we go. Alright. Alright, so we'll get this peg off. Alright, set them on the deck. Alright. Here's you a 15 millimeter. Here's me a 15 millimeter. Oh, well, we gotta get a deep well on that one. Let's see. Yeah, you'll get a 15 deep well.
You spray those.
You'll get a 15 deep well. No, socket. Put that one back in its spot.
I don't know what's a piece of.
Well, that's why I'm teaching you. Oh. Alright. Making this video for anybody, like other kids or single parents that don't know how to remove a tire. And then we're going to remove this tire. You go down, I'll go up. There we go, see? Now keep doing it. That just goes back and forth. Okay. You go at the same. No. You don't want to go all the way off. Just want to get it loosened up so we can get the rim off. Okay, stop. Take that off. Take this off.
That was tough.
Was it tough?
Yes, it was
tough.
Right.
And then we'll have to do that. Then we're going to leave your tire on here until we get everything done. Now these are actually pretty neat. These here I bought in like a little kit a while back, and I've used them to fix all of my kids' bikes. Hopefully you can see this because the sun. It has a curve on one end and a hook on the other that hooks into the spokes. So I'm going to show my son how these work. Alright, what we do is take your valve stem cap off. Other way. Let's try to get it. Let's see which way. Pretty sure it goes this way. Yep, here we go. Go ahead and take that off now.
Don't drop it.
No, don't drop it because you're going to have to put it on the other tube. And we're going to change the tire and the tube. Okay. Now, just fold this with a hook. Goes underneath your tire.
That's rusty.
No, it's just where it's set. And then it hooks into your spoke right here, right? Take this other one and run it around. There you go. Run it all the way around your rim. Move the rim as you have to do it. Keep on going. Move the rim as you go. You got it. See, look, that's why your tire kept popping right there.
Really?
Alright. Now that's off. Okay. Now we can unhook this. Now that's what kept popping your tire. Hold that.
Rust?
Yeah, it was the thing that holds the tire in. Ready? Okay. Now we're going to pull the tube out, and then we'll pull the tire completely off.
This is hot.
Alright.
They're wet.
We'll leave that sitting there. Pull the tire completely off. Now, pull the rim out. Does it got the hooks on it? Yeah, yours has got the little hook things on it. Alright. Now, we need that rim.
Oh.
Okay, go get me the other tire and the other tube.
What tire?
The tire we just took off the other bike.
Oh. We
got a whole ton of bikes that we've had for years, and we just collected them over the years, buying the kids different bikes.
And the tube?
No, I don't need the rim. I need the tire and the tube. And we just have no place to store everybody's bike. My bike, I got to redo.
My bike.
And then Henry's bike, you guys seen the video when we bought this bike. Alright.
Years ago. Right?
Yeah. It's been 2 or 3 years. Let's put the tire back on this. Put this on here.
This is warm.
Is it warm? Yeah. This tire and tube's off another bike that we got. And I'm just taking them apart, and the ones that are junk, I'm going to junk them.
It's so flat now.
There's no tube in it, son.
Oh.
That's the whole point of the tube. Alright, let's set this on here and make sure the rim's on it.
What's that? It's flat still. It's the point.
It's flat still. Son, that's why we're teaching you. I'm teaching you right now. Because you're going to have to learn all this stuff.
We're going
You're going to have to fix your son's bikes and your daughter's bikes and all that. Okay, where's them pieces so we can let the air out of this? Yeah, Roger had them. Hold that one. Oh, yeah, hold that. We'll let the air out of this one. Right. Alright. Alright, you hold that. Now let's find the hole for it. I think I placed it up here. Let's see. Alright. Put that down there. Make sure it's straight, and then we'll put the rest of the tube in. We don't want to twist it though. If you twist it, then it's gonna, when I go to blow it up, it's gonna go kapow, and then the tube is gone. So we don't want to have it twisted inside. So make sure you put it flat in there. Okay. Go ahead. Put this on here. Hold on. I'm gonna put this in here. Tuck that side in. I know. Gotta have it flat. Make sure it goes in there flat and don't twist it. What happens if you twist it?
Pop!
When I go to blow it up, it's gonna pop. Alright, let's get the rim back in. Alright, hold on. We'll need that when we get up this way.
Does this mean back in the rim?
Alright. This is gonna come back out.
Look at this.
Yeah, your chain's rusted, huh? Alright.
I know how.
Put your rim back on.
I know how they was, because they're sitting out in the sun.
Yeah, it's been sitting out here by the building, huh?
Yep. Winches.
Alright, now get the ratchet. Tighten up one side and I'll tighten up the other.
I call it winches.
It's not a wrench, it's a ratchet. There's a difference between a wrench and a ratchet. Hold on, you gotta turn the thing. Hold on. There we go. Alright. Okay. Now put it all the way on there or you'll strip it out. Okay, keep on going. You got your tooth in down here? Okay, it's in there. Gotta tighten her up. Got it, and let I sit. And that's it, okay? There we go. Alright. Take that, get your pegs and put them back on. Give me one, you get the other. This side in, yep. And screw it on there. And then
I know how to put pegs on.
Okay, well then put them on there.
Can't see it.
You don't need to see the hole, son, just feel it. Other way. Don't cross thread it. If you cross thread it, then it's going to be hard to get them off. Alright, keep on going with it. Get the screwdriver. And I'll tighten this one up.
Can you get his dirt back out?
I'll get the dirt back out in a second. Hold on. Alright. Now you tighten that side up. You gotta go this way with it. Yep. Want Dad to do it? Like, take two hands and go like that. Tighten the rest of the way up. Want Dad to do it?
Too weak.
Okay, your dad do it. There we go. Now we gotta put the air in it.
But how?
I gotta get the air pump.
You get the air pump, puppy. I can't use that gas can. Let's take the lid off of it.
Sheesh!
And that's how you change a tire. So that's gonna be it. Say bye, Henry.
Bye.
DADDYGVILLE'S World.